Ava squared, uh-oh, working together, we can be one piece. Subscribe to our channel, don't be late, or else you might miss the piece. Uh-oh, working together, we know who we are and who we want to be. Ava squared. Hi guys, welcome back to Ava squared. So today we are going to be doing a KiwiCo kit. And this one is playing with puzzles. Okay.
We're doing a shape stacking puzzle.
Shape stacking puzzle.
All right. So the first thing you need, girls, is what Ava H is holding is the stand. Can you show it to them? All right. The next thing you need, can someone grab the frame? With
This?
Yep. Show it to them. The frame and the green grid. All right. So set the frame and the grid on the slide. On the stand. So Ava H, can you hold up the stand? Like put it right here. This one right here. So put it right there.
Here.
Yep.
So if you have this, be welcome to follow along if you want. So, how's it going?
Yeah. So when you turn it this way and you put it on the stand like that. Yep. Like that. There you go. Yep. All right. So next, what you have to do. So you built the game board. So next, you're gonna take the back piece. So these two. Yeah.
Okay. So this is what it looks like right now. Where is it?
Okay. So next, okay, so Ava H has the board that you need, and then Ava G, can you hold that board there? All right, so next what I need for you to do is I need for y'all to put that piece together. So you're gonna put it in, put it in the hole together. There you go. We know who we are. Okay. So then, can you find for me the rubber rings? Yep, each of y'all take one. And you're gonna stretch the rubber rings over this hole right here. So, yeah, one of y'all stretch it on one hole. You get what I'm saying?
No, it's not that stretchy.
So you're gonna have to stretch it though. Place it back in the hole. Yep. And then one of you all stretch the rubber rings over. Yep, there you exactly right. Yep. Yep. Maybe you might have to do it one at a time, but
how do you do it?
Together. Yeah. Ava H, can you show them?
Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
You should touch the panel. Perfect. All right. So next, I want you all to find this top piece here. Can you hold that piece up for them to see? All right. So next, you're going to find that top piece, and you're going to slide that top piece into the tab in the top slot of this right here. So keep holding that. Yep. That top slot there. Right here. Yep. Ava H, take that piece like a puzzle. Yep.
Okay.
How would it fit? Yep, exactly right. Take another rubber ring. All right, and you're gonna do the same thing you did. Yep. Mm-hmm.
It won't.
But you only need one.
It won't go all the way in.
Oh. There you go. That's right.
It won't go in this time.
It should. Might be gentle. There you go.
That's the rubber.
Let Ava H put the ring on since she's
It won't stay.
It won't. There you go. But you have to use the
stay.
The rubber ring has to make it stay. So Ava H, put the rubber ring on. All right, perfect. Okay, now what you're gonna need is the KiwiCo kit. So you can hold this up and let them see. But you can show them how the KiwiCo kit comes. All right. So next, what I want you to do is I want you to take the frame that you've already created, this right here, what we've been working with, and you're going to balance the dispenser frame on the edge of the KiwiCo crate box with the big holes facing down. Guys,
should have it like this. So this was the first full step almost.
All right, so next, Ava H, can you find for me the slotted foam pieces? They look, the one that you said before we started that felt soft.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, Ava H, can you find those? Yep, that's right. All right, now what I want you to do is, I want you to find those green pieces. Yep, and y'all each take one and you're gonna stick them in the holes there, in the slotted pieces. Yeah, y'all work together.
All the way down?
Each one, yep. Yep. All the doors should be pointed the same way. What do you guys think this is gonna make?
It's going a puzzle. I don't know what this is gonna make.
What do you think it's gonna make?
I don't know what this is.
How does it feel? What does it look like though?
Money. And like, and there's this dash right here. And then money.
Alright, so Ava H, Ava G, I want you to hold the box open and pass. Just hold it open like this. Okay. And you take this, Ava H. Alright, you're gonna stick that whole thing into like that window of the wood. Yep. Pig. Yeah. You did it. Alright, next find the blue sticky foam that looks like a cone. Hold it up so people can see. Alright, then you're gonna need this right here. Okay? Alright. Okay, so I want you to stick 4 pieces of the sticky foam on the corner of the cone. So work together, and you're gonna stick 4 pieces of foam. You can go ahead and stick them on each corner. So you take one, and you take another. So the sticky pieces, so this is like a sticker. So you're gonna peel it off.
Mine's are already full.
Is it sticky on both sides or just one side? You see there's like paper on these? Take them off, and then you're gonna take one and put it on each 4 corners of the foam. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, I get it.
Here, if you need help taking it off, let me know. And I can peel it off. Okay, here you are. So you get it? So no, here, you do, I need you to do this one. Yep, y'all each have one to do. So, what I need for you all to do, all right, so here we go. Yeah. All right, so, yep. There we go. All right, so now listen up, guys. What you're gonna do is you each, you guys have your combs? All right, so each of you are gonna take your comb. So Ava G, I need you to listen. Ava G, I want you to stick your comb inside, inside of this, but it's gonna go like this. You wanna make sure that it's in between, in between those green ones. So that's why I said it's gonna be kind of tough. Make sure the comb is touching the foam. So it makes almost like a, yeah.
Hold on. I think so.
It's okay. Make sure it's touching the foam.
It has to be.
Make sure the comb is touching the top piece of the foam. There you go. Perfect. Now, stick this in here. All right. Next, you need to take this, the blue foam, and you're gonna stick it in between these two holes there. You got it?
Nope.
All right, so next you're gonna get a piece of elastic. So you get a piece. Here, you're right down there. All right, you get a piece of elastic. Hold it up so they can see it. All right, now here's the thing. What you're gonna do is you all are gonna take this piece of elastic and you're, okay? Yep, just like that. And put the other piece, no, like that. You put that piece in there like that, so it makes almost like a hoop. Yeah?
All done. I think so.
It's okay. Okay, you got it? All right, so next, all right, here's where, oh goodness. All right, next, let's take it off of the KiwiCo kit. Take it off the box. We don't need the box anymore. Now, stand it up. Stand it up. Nope. Like this. Okay. Yep. You made a shape dispenser. How cool. So now we're going to see if it actually works, okay? So it's like a pen dispenser.
Pretty in shape.
So there's one shape per door.
Okay, guys, I guess we're done. Peace. Peace.